Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with an Influenster unboxing. I just got this in the mail. Completely forgot that I was receiving it actually, but I wanted to go ahead and share it with you. I will have Influenster linked down below. It is a free service. You go on, you make an account and you take surveys, and then you have the potential to be entered to receive Vox boxes of products for you to review. Completely honest, full reviews of the products, and the products are free to you in exchange for your review. So I will have it linked down below, but this is the Love is in the Air VoxBox. This card just has information about it, and then it lists the products inside the box on the back. And then the products that I actually received, this is what it looks like. If you're curious, this particular one, I received from Mont Blanc this cologne in Legend. I don't know like the notes of this, it doesn't say anything, but I'll go ahead and give this to my fiance so that he can have it. And then I also received this one from Coach. This is Coach Dreams, and it says that it's inspired by the freedom and adventure of a road trip across America. The scent combines radiant bitter orange with the essential warmth of gardenia, cactus flower, and Joshua tree. And then next I have from Goop Beauty, which I believe is Gwyneth Paltrow's brand, but I could be wrong, correct me if I am, but I think Goop is her brand. So this is from Goop Beauty, and it's the Detox Himalayan Salt Scalp Scrub Shampoo. And this is what the packaging looks like. And when you open it up, it's this really nice container, kind of frosted plastic, and it has the salt scrub for your scalp, which is really exciting to help detox it. It feels really thick actually. I'm trying to take the plastic off, but that's what it looks like. So I will definitely give this a go. I'm excited for that. And then the last thing in here I'm also very excited for. It's full size. It's from Glow Recipe, and it's the Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream for smoothing and moisturizing. It has watermelon seed butter, I didn't even know that was a thing, hibiscus AHA, and hyaluronic acid. So it's definitely going to moisturize your skin. Let me cut this open so we can see what it looks like out of the box. But I'm guessing this is just for your body. Like, I know that they have a different watermelon glow for your face. This one says it's glow head to toe with this ultra moisturizing watermelon body cream. So it comes like this, very hefty. I am excited for it. So I think you just pop this little like thing off, yeah, and then you can squeeze some out maybe. I always get so nervous with these. I can feel like it's in the nozzle, but it's not coming out yet. Come on. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna unscrew the cap and we'll just do it like that. So it does smell like watermelon. It's not like a super like artificial scent either. It's a light pink cream. I think it smells really good. It's really fresh actually. It does smell like watermelon, but it's like lightly scented watermelon. And I think I can smell the hibiscus in it as well. It smells really good actually. I really like that. So I'm excited to use this. So thank you so much to Influenster, Mont Blanc, Coach, Goop Beauty, and Glow Recipe for sending this over to me. I'm very excited for it and very excited to review it. Again, I will have Influenster linked down below if you're interested in signing up. And until next time, thanks for watching. Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.